Spicy Korean rice cake or Tteok-bokki. Let's see how to make this delicious dish. Into a large bowl, add in some rice flour with some salt, add in warm water little by little and mix it. Start kneading it with your hands and make it into a dough. You need to make a stiff dough. Once it comes together like this, cover it and keep it aside for 10-15 minutes. Then take small portions and shape it into long cylindrical logs. Then cut around 2-inch length pieces. Repeat the same with the rest of the dough. Drizzle some oil and mix. Now heat some water, and once it starts boiling, add these rice cakes in it. Don't mix it immediately. Let it boil for 10-15 minutes. Slowly mix it using a spoon, and after 15 minutes, drain out the water and take out the rice cakes. Now let's make some tomato paste. For that, boil 4 tomatoes with some red chillies in some water. Once it gets cooked, take it out from the water. Peel out the skin of the tomatoes. Now make this into a paste with some coriander leaves and keep it aside. Now heat a pan, add some oil and some sesame seeds. Add some ginger garlic paste and saute it. Add the tomato paste and mix. Add 1 sliced onion. Mix it and cook the onion in the tomato paste. Now let's start adding the sauces like chili sauce, soy sauce and some tomato sauce. Also add in some red chilli powder. This is Kashmiri red chilli powder to give that extra red color for the curry. Now once it comes to a good boil, add the boiled rice cakes and mix it. Add some water, mix, cover the pan and cook for around 5 minutes. Add some salt, mix it, and our spicy rice cake dish is ready. This is a very famous Korean street food. You can have this as a meal. You can definitely adjust the spiciness according to your spice level. Just before serving, add some spring onion and some sesame seeds. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.